Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are tuning in for the very first time, I am Shurol Mathais. I am the founder of Chi Be in Balance, and I am also an evolutionary mindset specialist. Now, what I want to talk to you about today is the importance of meditation. Now, a lot of us have been thinking about our own self value, our own authentic self, and how we can grow, right? So, a lot of us have taken on meditation as a concept to basically calm ourselves down, to gain more clarity on a situation, and to be more focused in our day to day life. And for those of us who have been doing meditations, have understood the importance of it in our lives. And for those of us who have not yet understood or do not do any meditation, it is recommended to do so. Why? Because meditation is like our phone, right? When we keep using our mobile phone constantly and we have a lot of apps opened up, what happens to our phone? It gets overused. There's a lot of energy that goes into behind the apps that are being used. And what does meditation do for us? Well, meditation is our reset button. Because in order for our phone to not crash, we have to reset our phone on a regular basis so that we reboot our system, we re-energize our system, and we basically can start functioning in a more clearer way. So that's what meditation is for us. It helps us reboot our system. It gives us more clarity. It gives us more focus in the same tasks that we have been doing before. However, now we are more clear on what the end objective is and how to get there. Because meditation gives us clarity. So for all those of you who have not been meditating, it is recommended to at least start. And meditation does not necessarily mean that you have to sit in a corner for an hour and silence all your thoughts. No, it means that you have to be in observation of what thoughts come into your mind during that point of silence. What is your energy trying to tell you? What is your intuition asking you to focus on? So if there is a particular experience or a situation that you've had recently and that comes to the forefront, you have to learn how to be in observation of what that situation was trying to teach you. So if we go more focused on just trying to understand and observe our thoughts rather than silencing them completely, we would have gained much more clarity on why that experience happened and what did we learn out of it, and how we can help that or take those lessons and evolve ourselves even better into the future. So I would recommend to all you guys, start a meditative practice at least once a day in the morning, even if it has to be for 5 minutes. It will definitely have an immense impact in the rest of your day. You will gain more clarity, you will gain more insight, and I'm definitely sure that you will start accessing your inner guidance and your inner navigation system to basically propel you in flow of whatever your goals are in the universe, and whatever your goals are that you wish to achieve. Your purpose takes you closer to your mission, and step by step you will start having a much more fulfilled life rather than a life of chaos, right? So for all you guys who have not been meditating, I do recommend to start, and do put in the comments whatever you wish, or what have your experiences been in meditation. Maybe I can help you out. Maybe you've seen something differently, or you felt something. I will be able to answer those questions, or maybe give you some insight and guidance as to what it is that you have felt or seen. right? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please do share it to all the people who you think meditation is going to help in improving their lives. And if you think this video is going to help or benefit anyone in any sort of way. So thank you so much for tuning in again, and I will see you in the next one.